Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my YouTube family. I wanted to do a quick video since I'm out sitting and relaxing. I have a beautiful ocean in front of me. I know you can't see it, but it's in front of me, and I'm going to show you a view up here, down here, whatever, as I'm talking of what I'm seeing. But I want to do a quick video, and I want to talk about why I chose to start my YouTube channel and why I do videos on YouTube. It's simple. I feel as though I'm blessed, and for me to pass on my blessings, but rightfully so, you have to pass on to, again, I'm back to give, to receive. So for me, my form of giving is me doing these YouTube videos. This is how I pass my blessing, or as you know, they used to do, pay it forward. Remember that, I call it a fad because you don't see people do it too much now. But they do the fad where you pay it forward by, when you have blessings and stuff, and you pass it on to someone else. So this is my form of pay it forward. So my blessing, and I want to pay my blessing or show people how I'm happy by doing YouTube videos, and hopefully it inspires someone to either just be happy or whatever. So it's just a simple reason why I do the videos is it's my way to pass on the blessing. So if you're watching this video, I say tag, you're it. You now will have what you want from the universe. So I'm passing my blessing forward. Enjoy, family. Be happy. See you in the next video, fam. Bye-bye. Enjoy life, love, peace, love, and happiness. Pass the blessing forward. Bye-bye.